Hey everybody, Joe Robinson here at Spencer's Ventura Mattress. We're going to talk about toppers, and as you can see, we have a bunch of toppers right behind me, and I'm going to get to the bottom of it with Spencer. So what's the deal? You got a lot of toppers right here.
There are so many beds that we sell, and then people will get them home and not really, it's too firm, and they want to just layer it up and make it comfortable.
Right.
So we build a lot of toppers. You can see we make an all wool one here. It's called a woolly. Hand tufted by us, organic wool, organic cotton. We make a latex 2-inch soft with organic wool and cotton on top.
That's really nice.
We make a little simple 1-inch topper. It's got 1 ounce of wool and 1 inch of latex in there, just to take the edge off. We do another wool one here, real softer, stretchable one. And we do a real high-end, thicker one for people that like that real ultra luxury feel.
All right.
That's nice. And that's
now, can people take this any of these toppers and like add it to their existing bed, or like what's the design of these? What are these really meant for?
Only if you need to make it more plush or softer, not to firm it up. Most people think they're going to fix their bed. If their bed's already shot and it's got too big of a body depression, you're just going to make it worse. You're just going to add to it. So.
All right, great.
Yeah, firm bed, you can do it.
Thank you.
So, you're welcome.